There are some plants that are flowering right now in June, and these are two that are very problematic, one especially for hoofed animals. The one that's the real problem is this one right here. And this is called sheep laurel, and the other name for it is sheep kill. So that kind of tells you, where we're going with this one. It's related to this one over here. This is the mountain laurel. It's related to the rhododendrons, the azaleas that you might have around your house. Excuse me. It does have a woody stem, so it's not herbaceous. It doesn't die back in the winter. This will stay evergreen all year long. The leaves do tend to turn a color, like a plummy color in the winter, but it doesn't die back. And during this month in June, it has these really pretty flowers that are in clusters. And the thing to know sheep laurel by is that the flowers are never at the tips of the branches, like a lot of plants. The flowers are always mid-stem. So you've got the stem, you've got some leaves, then you have the flower mound, and then you have more leaves. So that's pretty characteristic of sheep laurel. And the other thing, it doesn't show it quite so much right now, but often during the year, these leaves tend to droop down. Maybe not so much when it's flowering, I guess, but other times of the year, it just has this kind of droopy kind of look to it. And this is a plant that typically, you just don't have like one plant, you'll have a bunch of them. So again, it's gonna form a colony. And this is gonna come in anywhere where you have a fire, or you've pushed the earth around, or you've logged. It's a plant around here that's very common. What's that? Along the power lines, yeah, again, that's a typical disturbed area. And this is one of the most highly toxic for hoofed animals, and that's the sheep laurel.